Hello everyone, my name is Reddy. I am teaching algorithm subject in MedEasy from the last 12 years. I completed my engineering from IIT Bombay in computer science department. Right? So let's see the algorithm syllabus. For GATE examination, algorithm syllabus you can see once. Right? See this one. So first topic is going to be analyzing algorithm. This is the first topic. Right? The meaning of analyzing algorithm you know very well. What is the meaning of analyzing algorithm? Right? Finding time complexity, space complexity. Assume that there is a app, one mobile application is there. If you store inside your cell phone, what is the first thing you will take care about? Right? How much space it is taking. And one more thing, what is the one more thing you will take care? Right? When I click on that mobile app, right? So it should open immediately. So how much time it is taking, how much space it is taking, that is called analyzing algorithm. That is the first topic. Right, which is really important. So time complexity finding, right, space complexity finding. These two are really important things. Right, time complexity, space complexity, that is the purpose of analyzing algorithm. Right, so every year in examination, most of the time, right, every year in GATE examination from this area, right, so minimum 2 marks are coming. Please you take care. I will give the many examples also. Right, approximately 20 examples will come. Right, please concentrate here. Finding time complexity, space complexity is really important, not only GATE examination point of view. As a computer science person, this topic is really important. Right, when you suppose assume that after 5 years from now onwards, right, you get the nice job, assume that you are working in one of the good company, assume, right, there when you are doing programming, this story only will come. Right, you should write the efficient algorithm, means it should take as minimum space as possible. It should take as minimum time as possible. So please learn this one, not only examination point of view, your career point of view also. This is going to be really useful. So how to write time complexity finding, space complexity finding, that is the meaning of analyzing algorithm. That is the first topic. Right, every year one question is coming. Please you take care. Next one, right, asymptotic notation. That is the next topic. Asymptotic notation means everyone know, right? Big O notation, omega notation, theta notation, small o notation, small omega notation. Right? This notation required. This is one of the powerful topic in algorithm subject itself. Total algorithm subject is completely based on, right, this particular one only. Right, big O, omega, theta, small o, small omega. In total algorithm subject, in every class, right, this topic will come. Every time I will say, in every class, if you want, you can observe, right, every time I will say either big O or omega or theta or small o, small omega. Asymptotic notation is really important. Indirectly, directly, in examination, algorithm subject, assume that from algorithm subject 10 marks coming, assume that, right, mostly 5 marks are based on this only. In algorithm subject, right, in the GATE examination, assume that 10 marks came. Indirectly, directly, 5 marks are belongs to asymptotic notation. It is really important, right? Really important, please you take care. Indirectly, directly, right? So, in time complexity also asymptotic notation required. Next one, next topic, recurrence relation also time complexity. Everywhere it is required. Right? It is very important topic in algorithm subject itself. Right, big O, omega, theta, small o, small omega. Next one, recurrence relation solving. That is the next one. Right, so it is coming in most of the examination for 2 more marks. Right, one recurrence relation they will give, you have to solve it. If they don't give directly, indirectly may be required. Recurrence relation solving. Some people are asking to solve the recurrence relation, how many methods are there? One is master theorem, one is substitution method, one is recursive tree. Right, 3 methods are there. Right, if you know substitution method, it is more than enough, but it may take some time. Right, it will take a little bit of more time comparing with other methods. Next one, if recurrence relation contain, right, if the recurrence relation contain more than one recursive call, then tree method is better. More than one means tree method. You know binary tree, 2 children. You know ternary tree, 3 children. More than one recursive call means more than one child. Then binary tree, ternary tree, I think tree representation is better. So, when the recurrence relation contain more than one call, go to recursive tree method. When the recurrence relation contain only one recursive call, right, only one recursive call, indirectly, directly, then go to the substitution method. Next one, if you want to solve the problem as minimum time as possible, then master theorem. Name itself saying master theorem means it will take less time comparing with other methods. You know very well, master will take the less time to solve the problem comparing with the students, right? That is the reason. So, last time I want to ask you, reconciliation to solve, how many methods? 3 methods. First one, substitution method, which may take more time, but it is very easy one. Next one is going to be recursive tree method. More than one function call there, right? In the recurrence relation, then go to recursive tree method. If you want shortcut, then master theorem. But the problem with the master theorem is going to be, you have to by heart many things. The advantage with the substitution method, you don't need to by heart anything. Right? Anyhow, every method is having its own advantage and its own drawbacks, right? But 3 methods are there. Please learn all the 3 methods, whichever is right, whichever is convenient, that point of time, you can apply it. Right? So, most of the time, 1-2 mark question is coming, directly or indirectly. Right? Fine. Next one. Designing technique. One of the designing technique is going to be divide and conquer. This is the next one. Divide and conquer. Right? This is one of the designing technique. To design the algorithm, one of the model is going to be divide and conquer. Right? These are the things. So, what is the first one? Finding max min. Next one, binary search. Next one, merge sort. Next one, quick sort. Next one, Strassen's matrix multiplication. Next one, selection procedure. Finding inversions. Continuous maximum subarray sum. Total, I think 8 applications. I will try to cover as much as possible. I may cover all also, I may cover only few also, whatever it is. Whichever is really necessary, I will cover all. I written all, mostly I will cover all. If I left out anything, right, you no need to bother. It may be unnecessary, that is the reason I left out. But I will try to cover as much as possible. Which necessary to you, right, all I will cover. So total, I think 8 applications I written, right. So finding max min, binary search, quick sort, merge sort, Strassen's matrix multiplication, selection procedure, finding inversions, continuous maximum subarray sum, right. So try to remember out of all of them, right, questions came from, right. So finding max min, binary search also, merge sort, quick sort frequently coming, right, merge sort, quick sort frequently questions are coming, binary search also, and finding max min also. I think out of these four are coming. In divide and conquer chapter, from these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 questions came. Most probably repeatedly from these 2 areas coming. This is also important. If I want to say binary search also, questions are coming. These 3 are really important, right? Few questions came from the finding max min also. Next one, remaining also very easy. Please go through it one time. Again, I am repeating now, in the divide and conquer, these many applications are there, right? So, first 4 applications are really important. It doesn't mean that other things are not important, right? Just go through it once. Suppose if you don't study, unfortunately any question came from this, you will feel bad. In algorithm subject especially, I am saying to you, don't go, right, selective wise. Complete all. If any computer science person is so good in algorithm, right, definitely you will get a very nice job. Really, I am saying to you, you will get a very good software company. There is a computer science student who is so good in algorithm, definitely will get the right very good job, very good software job you will get. Right? So don't take this is easy, this is tough. Total algorithm subject, please try to complete, right, as efficiently as possible. Other subjects, whether you do or not, I don't know. But if you are a CSC person, you should definitely do this particular subject. Right? It is really important. Don't go selective wise. I will study only 4. Right? Forget about the GATE exam and all. Even though you will get the good GATE rank. Right? So definitely afterwards also again it is required. If you want to join in any software company, it is really required. Please make sure that don't take any choice in algorithm subject. Try to complete as much as efficiently as possible in algorithm subject every topic. Right? I will also try to cover many things, right? So you also please take care. Don't study this one for marks purpose. Try this one for life purpose, right? Definitely it will give life to you, right? If you study properly this subject. In GATE examination point of view, through experience I am saying these 4 is important. Maybe next year also one of the question will come from these 4. It doesn't mean that you will leave remaining things, right? These also study once. right? They will be really useful some point of time. Maybe in the GATE exam itself they may come, right? Anyhow, these 4 important, right? These also you study. Strassen's matrix multiplication, selection procedure, finding inversion, continuous maximum subarray, right? These are the 8 applications. So divide and conquer internally contain, right? 8 things. Cover all of them. Very, very importantly, first 4 for GATE exam, for your life purpose, study remaining also. Right? I am thinking that you are really fine now. Now let's come to the, I think divide and conquer is the 4th topic, right? Come to the 5th topic. After divide and conquer, right? In algorithm subject syllabus, next one is going to be greedy technique. Greedy technique. See the answer? Greedy technique, first topic, job sequencing with deadline. Job sequencing with deadline. Next one is going to be knapsack problem, Huffman coding, optimal merge pattern, minimum cost spanning tree. Next one is going to be minimum cost spanning tree internally contain Prim's algorithm, Kruskal algorithm. Next one, single source hardest path, which internally contain 3 algorithms, Dijkstra's, Bellman-Ford, BFT. Single source hardest path internally contain 3 algorithms, Dijkstra's, Bellman-Ford and BFT. So out of these 6 applications, right? Greedy technique contains 6 applications. Out of those 6 applications, please be careful. These 2 are really important, very, very important. Right? Try to remember, these are very, very important. Minimum cost spanning tree and single source hardest path. They are really important every year. 2 marks here, 2 marks here. Otherwise, sometimes 4 marks here maybe 2 marks. Right? Maybe 2 marks here, 1 mark here. Somehow there is a marks distribution from the greedy chapter from these 2 things. Every year 4 marks are coming, 2 mostly. Sometimes only 4 here, sometimes only 4 here, sometimes 2 here, 2 1 mark question. Some distribution is going on. From this greedy chapter, these 2 mostly will come. Right? Sometime in the GATE examination, from this also given. Sometimes from this also, sometimes from this also. Sometimes best thing is read all of them once, they are very easy. Total greedy chapter, whatever applications I written, read all of them one time. Most importantly, these 2, 5th one and 6th one. These are also required, they are very easy also. Please go through one time. And one more, don't take any selection, right? I have to do this only, that one, no. Complete total algorithm subject one time. And practice as much as possible. Practice as much as possible. How much more comfortable you are in algorithm subject, your life will be that much easy. I never seen one computer science student also where algorithm is so good, right? He is still dancing on the main road. I never seen one person also. If you are really good in algorithm subject, in one of the big company, you are dancing. Right? Though, if I find out any CSE person, right, who is dancing on the main road, markets and all, without job and all, if anyone doing like that, the simple reason is not good in algorithm subject. If you are really good in algorithm, definitely, right, in computer science, in one of the companies, somehow you will survive. If you are more good, more package will come. Right? Please be careful. Don't select. Struggle as much as possible. If some topic is troubling you, some topic, assume that. 5th topic is troubling you, assume. Right? Spend as much time as possible. Take your friend help. Read these, right? View these videos again and again. Right? Next one, suppose after completion of this one also, still if you have doubt, just Google it out. In the YouTube type something like Prim's algorithm. You may see so many videos. But before going to those videos, please be comfortable these videos. One small confusion also there. Try to clarify here, one small confusion also there. The greatest advantage with this subject is going to be, right, in the YouTube, so many videos available. About other subject, other branches, those many videos may not be available. But about algorithm subject, total YouTube contain algorithm subject only. Trust me, if you have small doubt also in algorithm subject, after listening all these lectures, right, just in the YouTube you can type. Small doubt there, then only. If the big doubt, you know very well, in the YouTube when you type something, many will come, you don't know which video you have to watch. Complete as much as possible from here. Because, right, by reading so many videos, by listening so many videos, right, by reading so many books, I got this much information. Right? I kept all the things in the compressed manner. If you try to get here, well and good. Small confusion also there. Right? Many ways are there. Right? If you try directly outside, right, I think they will confuse you. right? All my confusions almost I clarified by viewing so many videos, by reading so many books, by clarifying so many students' doubt from the last 12 years, right? So all my doubts almost I clarified. I will clarify your doubts also. Try to get from here only. Worst case, you can refer some other thing, right? For small doubt elimination purpose, you can refer some resources, right? Please be careful, right? Let's start. So I think these two are really important, right? After completion of these, cover these also, because we don't know from which area they will come. Mostly from these, sometimes from here also. Because of your CSC person, algorithm subject, cover everything. So this is the 5th chapter. In algorithm syllabus, it is the 5th topic, right? Now go to the 6th topic. 6th topic is going to be dynamic programming, right? Dynamic programming, first one is going to be 0 by 1 knapsack. Dynamic programming, first topic is going to be 0 by 1 knapsack, longest common subsequence, Fibonacci series, matrix chain multiplication, sum of subsets problem, all pair shortest path, optimal cost BST. Total I think 7 applications I written. I will try to finish as much as possible. Which really necessary I will complete. If one or two if I don't complete, please remember after my all classes are over, if anything if I don't cover, I mentioned in the syllabus, I didn't cover, assume that may be not that much important. I don't want to waste everyone time and all. That may be the reason I didn't cover. But after covering all, whichever I left out, please Google it out, right? Read something from your side, right? Take it as positive. If I slap you also, take positive, right? There is a reason, that is the reason I am slapping, right? Anyhow, see this one, totally seven applications are there, right? So, right, in my point of view, I will cover all. If one or two left out, they may not be that much important. That is the reason I am not covering, right? So, whatever I will cover in the nice way, and remaining things maybe you have to take care, right? Please see this one, dynamic programming, totally 7 applications. So, out of these 7 applications, please be careful. These 5 really important. These 5 really, sometimes this is K, right? Many times this longest common subsequence K, and very important one is going to be, in my opinion, this is K many times. This is K many times. After this one also came many times, right? Few times first one came, right? Few times third one is came. Overall, I want to say these 5 applications, read properly, right? And one more nice thing I want to say to you. Algorithm subject, please don't by heart anything. Please don't by heart, meaningfully you study. If algorithm subject by hearting is very difficult, really I am saying to you, algorithm subject, if anyone trying to by heart, right, you can by heart. At the end of the algorithm subject, right, you may by heart the total algorithm subject, that is fine. You will forget your name. I am repeating again now, this is a serious warning. Algorithm subject, please don't by heart. If you by heart total algorithm subject, you may by heart total algorithm subject, it's okay. At the end of the algorithm subject, because of you by hearted, you may forget your name. You may forget your mama name also. You will ask your mama, what is your name? Please be careful. Algorithm subject by hearting, no use at all. You will get the 0 marks if you by heart algorithm subject. If you study meaningfully, you will get the gate rank also. You will get many jobs also. I saw one student who is so good in algorithm subject. He got 10 jobs. He got 10 jobs, not 1 job, 2 jobs, 10 jobs he got. The only reason why he got 10 jobs, that is also good jobs are going to be because of algorithm subject. Please study algorithm subject without by hearting. Suppose in that some topic is it really troubling you, spend more time. Spend more time. Take your friend help. Right? So please make sure that everything take it as positive. If you take everything as positive, then only you can grow in your life. If you keep on commenting this and that, you don't excel in your life. Right? Take everything as positive. Okay, is this topic is troubling you? Suppose assume that one topic X troubling in algorithm subject, right? Maybe that is really difficult, maybe. That is the reason it is troubling. Spend 1 more day. Spend 1 more hour. Spend as much as possible. Do entire day also, I don't have any problem. But please be comfortable without by hearting. Right? I hope you are okay. Right? So, see this one. After completion of the total gate syllabus, right? I don't know whether you are comfortable in other subjects or not. You should be comfortable in the subject. If you can do that, you are comfortable in the subject, assume that you can do that, then the purpose of preparing for GATE examination, almost you are fine. If you can do justification to the subject, right, 90% why you took the GATE option, GATE writing and all, almost you justified. Many people are there who didn't get the good GATE rank, still they got the very good job. The reason is they done the nice work in algorithm subject. I am not saying that you don't get the good GATE rank and all. Struggle as much as possible in every subject, but mostly this subject. This will give life to you. Again and again I am repeating you, right? Fine. So I think sixth topic, right? Sixth chapter, dynamic programming. First 5 applications are really important, right? All pair shortest path and optimal cost BST, right? I may cover these 2 also, but one thing, in the previous paper they are not came. That is the reason one time also not came. I don't want to cover, I may cover, I may not cover. First complete 5, if still time is there to me, right? So I will cover these also. If I don't cover, if time is there, you can cover by yourself. Right? Optimal cost BST, all pair shortest path. Right? Fine. So this is the 6th chapter. Now let's go to the 7th chapter. See, 7th chapter is going to be an algorithm subject, this one. Heap sort, bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, counting sort, radix sort. All these things I will explain. It is the 7th chapter. Heap sort, bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, counting sort, radix sort. All the things I will explain. And one more thing is very important chapter is this one, heap sort. Heap sort is really important. Every year 2 marks coming, every year. Last 10 years if you see, every year 2 marks are coming from heap sort. Next year also it will come. It is one of the powerful thing present in algorithm subject. It will be really useful in your life also. As a programmer, as a computer science, right? As a computer science programmer, many places it is useful. Right? Please be careful. All these sorting techniques you learn. Right? This is very important in the point of GATE examination. Right? Fine. So this is the 7th chapter. Next one. Right? Hashing. This is also important. In algorithm point of view, I am saying to you, especially for GATE examination, hashing also important. Last 10 years paper you see, right? 15 questions are there. 10 years paper, 15 questions. What is the meaning? I think every year minimum 1 question coming. Last 10 years paper, 15 questions came, indication that every year minimum 1 question is coming. This is also very important chapter for GATE examination. Right? Almost every year 2 marks here. Almost every year 2 marks here. See, I'm saying though I'm saying some topics are very important. They are coming every year. That is the reason I'm saying. It doesn't mean that remaining topics you will leave. Meaningfully study all of them. Revise again and again. Concentrate only on this. Right? Until GATE examination, your goal is GATE exam only. After GATE exam is over, you do whatever you want. When you keep target, please try only for that. Right? After deadline is over, you do whatever you want. After GATE exam is over, let's plan once again. If it is worked out, whatever you planned, worked out, assume. Right? Well and good. If it don't work out, you can replan again. You have 100 years life. Right? You can do many plans. First to try GATE. Do sincere hard work. Right? Keep your total efforts. Every minute use for the betterment of, right, in the GATE syllabus and all. After GATE exam is over, well and good, fine. Otherwise, once again you can replan. Life is like this. Whatever way you think, like in life, it may not happen. It doesn't mean that you done wrong and all. You done your level best or not, that's it. If you done your level best, you will get the good GATE rank. Right? Fine. I know you, these are the things which you know very well. Right? This is the 8th topic, hashing. See the 9th one? 9th one is going to be graph traversal, tree traversal. Right? 9th chapter is going to be graph traversal and tree traversal. Right? See, I'm saying to you, graph traversal, tree traversal. From this, every year, 2 marks may come, 4 marks also will come. Minimum 2 marks, right? 4 marks also will come. What are the graph traversal? You know very well, BFT, DFT. Graph traversals are BFT, DFT. What is the tree traversal? In order, pre-order, post-order. Graph traversals are BFT, DFT. Tree traversals are in order, pre-order, post-order. Totally 5. Out of them, compulsory you will definitely see 1. Out of these 5 things in the 9th ninth chapter, out of these 5, definitely 1 will come, right? Minimum 2 marks will come. Right? Fine. I said to you the things which are really required, right? This is the computer science gate syllabus for algorithm subject. See, one time I am minimizing also, one time see, right? So, algorithm subject, first chapter is finding time complexity, space complexity. Second is going to be asymptotic notation. These 2 chapters are really important. Third one, every examination 2 marks coming. Fourth chapter, divide and conquer, which internally contain 8 applications. Out of them, third one, fourth one, med sort, quick sort, and one more binary search also many times came. Second one, third one, fourth one, many times came. It doesn't mean that you will leave the remaining things. No, all are important. Don't leave one also. Next one, fifth one, right? Fifth one, if you observe, fifth one and sixth one really important. Remaining also came in the few examinations. Best idea, read all of them one time. Next one, sixth chapter, dynamic programming. In the dynamic programming, 1 to 5 really important. In that, matrix chain multiplication is again and again came. Longest common subsequence also came again and again. Again and again it came. But important thing I want to say to 1 to 5, first topic to fifth topic, complete all properly. If time is there, complete these 2 also. Right? So until now, one time also not came. If time is there, please go through it. Because who knows, next year it may come. Until now, 1 to 5 again and again came. Right? So fifth one, sixth one, they may come, they may not come. So this is the 6th chapter. Let's go to the 7th one. Heap sort, bubble sort, right? In this one, in the 7th one, heap sort is really important. Every year 2 marks confirm. 8th one is hashing. 9th one is going to be graph traversal, tree traversal. Minimum 2 marks will come. This is the computer science gate syllabus for the algorithm subject. Many people know, it is better to write one time, I done this. Right? I hope you are fine with the total syllabus. And last, my sincere request before going to the actual topic of algorithm subject, my sincere request, right? I don't know how much you know algorithm already. I really don't know. How much you are comfortable with algorithm subject, I really don't know. But one thing, forget about all, whatever you know, whatever you don't know. Right? From now onwards, comfortably, please follow. Please trust yourself. The reason why I am teaching in MedEG, the main reason is going to be, I trust myself. That is the main reason. When you trust yourself, right? Automatically, all people will trust you. If you don't trust, no one will trust you. Trust me this line you remember. If you trust yourself first, right? Automatically, everyone will trust you. The main reason why I am teaching in algorithm subject in MedEG from last 12 years, right? The main reason is going to be, I trusted myself a lot. Every day, whatever mistakes I am doing, I am rectifying. Many students asked me many doubts. Initial days, I don't know. I rectified. You also same, right? You may not know now, right? Day to day improve. Day to day, you keep on improve. If you keep on improving day to day, no one will stop your growth. Even God also cannot stop your growth if you are keep on improving every day. So I am giving serious warning to those people, right, who don't improve every day themselves. If you don't want to improve every day yourself, then why you are leaving here? What is the reason? If you are a human, please improve every day. At least until gate examination, until gate exam day, please do that. Right? Again, last time I am saying to you, right? Please listen properly all the lectures, whatever I will say from now onwards. Right? Don't worry at all what you know, what you don't know until now. From the first class, this is the introduction, it's okay, whatever you will get, right? This is simply syllabus explanation only. From now onwards, please be careful. It will really give life to you. Right? Fine. I'm thinking that you are absolutely fine. Whatever I said until now, only explanation of the syllabus I said to you. From now onwards, careful. Let's see the last one. See this? See last one? See, to this subject, right? The references are going to be, I already said to you, now I am saying. To this subject, the references are going to be, let me make a little bit larger. Algorithm subject, references are going to be, right? First, please First, please follow all my lectures carefully. That is the first reference what you have to do. Right? Before my lectures, one more thing I want to say to you. Please believe yourself. That is the first thing. That is the first reference. Please believe yourself. That is the first one. Second one is going to be, right? Believe me also. Listen all my lectures. First you have to believe. That is the first thing. Second, you believe me and listen all my lectures. Suppose assume that after listening all my lectures, right? Suppose assume that somewhere you are not okay. One of the topic, one point you are not okay. Right? For that topic purpose, for that topic only, not all. Right? So you tried your level best. I also tried my level best. Suppose assume that one small topic troubling you. Assume in a particular topic X, some point Y troubling you. Assume that. Right? Just go to Coreman book. There is one book called Introduction to Algorithm by Coreman. There is one book, Coreman book is there. Right? Algorithm book. Just to take that book. Just to take that book. Right? In that book, X topic, right? Point Y. Just refer only that. After listening my lecture, which topic you have doubt, which point, right? That one you try to cover in the Coreman book. It is a nice book. Nice book is there. Please try that particular one. Right? Next one. See this one. Right? Coreman book you will try. That's fine. Right? One of the topics, small doubt there. You try from the Coreman, you will get. Suppose assume that. Suppose assume that. Suppose assume that. Right? After listening Coreman book also, still that doubt is not clear. Right? That point, which topic? X topic. Which point? Y point. Please try to type in Google, in YouTube. To be frank, YouTube. Right? So Google also you can type, YouTube also you type. When you type that, you will get many videos. Maybe Stanford, maybe IITs, like that, many you will get. Right? Just to take one standard video, please go through it. Try for your point only. Don't listen more, don't listen less. Your point you try. Necessary, see the advantage with my lecture is going to be, right? I have some boundaries. Necessary points all I will say. I don't do less, I don't do more. Necessary things I will cover. So when you are trying for any competitive examination, it doesn't matter what you study and all, but there should be a boundaries. Right? What you have to study, you should know. Right? All necessary things I will keep. If you want to study more, you can study. But study whatever I will say. Right? They are the minimum things required. Study necessary things, whatever I will say. More after GATE exam, you can try. You can do research also in algorithm subject after GATE exam is over. Necessary things, whatever I am saying, please study. First listen, right? First listen my lectures properly. One or two doubts are there. Those things you can see in the book also. Still not clear. Right? In the YouTube, those points you can type. So these are the three things, right? And let me repeat again. First you believe. Next believe me and listen all my lectures. One or two doubts. After all, I am human, you are also human. One or two small doubts are there. You can try in the Coreman book. Still doubts are there. In the YouTube you can try. If anyone tries this one without listening my lectures, right? If anyone try directly YouTube, many videos are there. They will go out of the syllabus. They don't cover necessary points. They will cover unnecessary points, right? Finally, no use. Right? Not only knowing, you should know correct point. If you know this much thing, actually this only required, why you do this much? Right? So please be careful. I will give all the necessary points. Try to remember, I completed my engineering from IIT Bombay, right? In computer science department, right? So if you follow all my precautions, whatever I will say, right? Most probably you will get the nice rank. Right? Please take care. So this is the order what you have to follow. First my notes, first my lectures, right? Video lectures, whatever it is. Next one followed by, right? This book, followed by Google, maybe YouTube. You can, if you want, I will write YouTube mostly. Right? YouTube. Right. Right. See this one. These many things are there. See this one, after listening my lecture, right? One or two doubts, you will go to the Coreman, right? Afterwards, one or two doubts, you will go to the YouTube. This is the procedure. If anyone do some other way, right? I think you are going in the wrong direction. You paid this much amount means, right? Definitely whatever decision you are taken, it is a really nice decision. Right? Really nice decision you are taken. Please respect your decision first. Right? Listen all the lecture, not only me, all MedEasy faculty lectures, you listen properly. Because you are taking the decision, first of all, you should respect your decision. You took the admission in the MedEasy, you are not listening. You are not listening those lectures, then what is the meaning of? You are not trusting yourself. You trusted yourself, that is the reason you took the nice decision. Please respect it. Afterwards, right? After respecting your decision, right? Listen all the lectures properly. 1 or 2 doubts, after all, everyone is human, right? 1 or 2 doubts are there. You can go to the book. Afterwards, YouTube videos. Like that you can do. Suppose if anyone want to study directly from the book, that book contains, right, 2000 pages. 2000 pages if you are keep on reading from starting to ending. 2000 pages if you keep on reading from starting to ending, right? You still studying the algorithm only, GATE exam is over. What is the point of, what is the use of that kind of, right, preparation? Without any goal, how can you prepare like this? For algorithm purpose, you are reading 2000 pages book means, what about remaining subjects? If you are really good in all subjects, then you will get the good GATE rank. One subject, if you are keep on doing research, you don't get. Right? So, just follow this order. First my lectures, next one is going to be book, that is also necessary points which are not covered, which you are not comfortable. Next one is going to be YouTube. These are the things. Right? Now see, after following this procedure, my lectures followed by this one, followed by this one. After doing these many things also, still you are not getting. After doing these many things also, still you are not getting, then what you have to do is, see this one, do this. Right? Go to hell. Right? Do this. Right? After doing these many things also, still you are not getting. Means I think some problem there. Right? Something, I think, you know very well. After doing these many things also, still you are not getting. The meaning of this one is going to be, you are not believed yourself. You have so many doubts on yourself. So many doubts you have. That is the reason this problem happened. Right? After doing these many things also, still you are not getting. I am really saying to you, go to hell. No one can help you because you are not believed yourself. Right? You may be thinking that, let me give this example also. Let me give this example also. Right? Let me say this one. Many people are there who is successful in their life. Many people. Maybe Abdul Kalam. Maybe Vajpayee. Maybe Narendra Modi. Maybe Manmohan Singh. Many people are there. Many big politicians. All became, some people came chief minister, some people came prime minister, something like that. Many people are there. Right? They all became successful in their life. They seen the topmost thing in their life. Main reason is going to be, right, not their capabilities, and main reason, they believed themselves. If you don't believe, you cannot do anything. You cannot walk on the road also if you don't believe yourself. If you can dance in the air also if you believe yourself. You know what is the problem with the Rahul Gandhi? Right? The problem with the Rahul Gandhi is he is not believed himself. If he believed himself, I think it could have been a very easy story. Believing yourself is the first thing what you have to do. Afterwards, automatically all will come. You are capable, I am capable. It is not the story. At least now onwards, please change your opinion. If anyone thinking until now, you are less capable, your friend is more capable, your neighbor is more capable. If you keep on thinking, please change. Right? You are more capable. That is the reason you completed until now BTech. You may be studying 4th year engineering, you may be completed 4th year. Whatever it may be. Right? Until now, the things why it happened is, you are capable, that is the reason it happened. Just forget the past. Right? From now onwards, at least work hard. Believing and working hard and working smart way. Working smart way also, but not only working blindly, working smart way. First believing, next one working hard, and one more, working smart way. Right? And one more thing, whenever, so just try until GATE examination, just to see that the boundary, there is a deadline for everything. You have deadline, I have deadline, everyone having deadline, GATE also having deadline. Until GATE exam, plan. Right? Keep every minute for the purpose of GATE only. After taking decision, please stick for that. Right? Of preparing for GATE, of preparing for something, it really don't work out. If you keep some here, it don't work out. Right? Focus clearly GATE exam. Until gate exam, try for gate exam. After gate exam is over, then see the once again what are the opportunities available. If you are really doing nice work in the gate examination preparation, many opportunities will come automatically. Right? I'm thinking you are fine, right? So I think whatever is necessary, I said to you, you are really fine now. From right first class onward, this is the introduction part. First class onwards, please listen properly. Right? You don't compare yourself with others. You have your own story, they are having their own story. You may be saying that my friend is solving many things, I am not able to solve. Right? When BTech is going on, your friend is doing very good work. At that time, you are dancing in the canteen. College canteen, you are dancing. It don't work out, me. Don't compare your story with others. You have your own story, they are having their own story. From now onwards, right? Listen lecture properly, please implement it. So, whatever I said until now, right? Take only positive points. I said many things. I have to take care about many students, right? So, I maybe said many things. Isn't that I said 100 things? In that 10 things related to you, you please take care. Finally, I want to give one nice conclusion. What is that one? Try you, right? Believe yourself. That is the first thing, right? Listen lectures properly. One or two things are not clear. Just find out some other ways I given to you, right? And one more thing, I think worst case, go to the YouTube. Worst case, go to the book, right? Fine. If you keep on checking on the YouTube and all, many videos come. That is the problem, right? Fine.